Okay, we are looking at the global weather network. How do the meteorologists and climatologists collect weather data? First of all, they use satellites. Satellites are being situated about 22,000 miles above the equator, so they are able to detect, to read the types of clouds, how the patterns of clouds are formed. So they collect that data and send it to weather stations. Another thing, they use balloons. Balloons can be used, they can fly into the air, detect air pressure, humidity, and other things. So send this information to the weather station. Another thing, they use specific aircraft. These aircraft, they have got pods in their wings, so that they should never be disturbed. Whether in the times of hurricanes, they can be able to fly, or whether in the times of tornadoes, they can be able to fly, so that they should collect the data, air masses, vortex, and other things, and send this information to the weather stations. Another thing, they use weather ships. Weather ships are moored in a specific place, so that they should detect currencies, ocean currencies, and send this information to the weather station. So these are some of the items that meteorologists and climatologists use to measure weather.